Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to add a colleague within the system. Let's get started. First, locate the user you wish to add as a colleague and open their profile. Once their profile page opens, look just below their profile picture. You will see a button labeled Add as Colleague. Click on this button to proceed. A pop-up window will appear where you can customize the message that will be sent along with your colleague request. Edit or personalize the message as required. After completing the message, click on the Add Colleague button to send the request. A confirmation pop-up will then appear, informing you that the colleague request has been successfully sent and that the user will receive the request. Click on the Close button to close the pop-up. That's it. You now know how to add a colleague in uKnowva HRMS. When you add someone as a colleague, you can connect with them, access their updates, and communicate more effectively within the platform. Thank you for watching.